Welcome back to my channel, everyone. I'm so happy to be bringing you guys yet another video. Here's my beautiful client who is chatting it up with me at the moment. She came in just due to needing and wanting a facial, and I was so happy that she found me on Instagram and decided to make an appointment to come in. She was letting me know that she feels like she needed some just overall a treatment that could cater to even skin tone. She is experiencing very, very small areas of hypopigmentation. They're right at like the cheekbone area and under the eye. I'm not sure if y'all can see it at this moment. When I zoom in for the non-existing extractions, you'll see it a little bit better. Today we're going to start off with the Cosmara cleanser. This is a gentle cleanser that I've been using lately to add some hydration and moisture to the skin. I have decided to bring the sponges back into the treatment room. I enjoy them, and it also cuts down on the 4x4s and paper products that I go through. So yeah, these will be back in for probably for good. I did like a bulk order on Amazon. Check those out in my Amazon store, link down below if you're interested. They're going to be under the disposable spa products. Wringing these sponges out, now I'm going to just remove this cleanser from off of her face. Now going in with my green tea citrus cleanser. We all know that this has yucca, lemon, and grapefruit extract in it, which helps to gently exfoliate and brighten the skin. This is going to be an overall great cleanser for any skin type. If you just feel like you need like a basic cleanser, this is going to be a great purchase. If you're interested in any skincare products, be sure to click on my website below. That's going to be www.glambylialeigh.com. And these are the same sponges. Not too long ago, I had someone either tag me or reach out to me and send a video to me stating something about using different sponges within like the whole cleaning process if you decide to use sponges. You guys, I use the same sponges during the entire treatment. Wring those things out and continue to use them. This is going to be a microderm facial, but first I am going to use my favorite lemon zest enzyme that we are going to use and have the steam on at the same time. Now this is about the amount that I use typically, and this is a lot. I covered the face way before I put a dent in the amount that was in the glass that I showed. But this is a enzyme for those that are new to my channel that helps a ton with brightening. This enzyme has 8% arbutin, 6% lactic, 3% glycolic, and 2% kojic acid. Remember, estheticians, to always ask before you apply the enzyme, during the treatment, and even after, if the client is experiencing any tingling, any burning sensations or itching, if they're comfortable or if they can withstand, the intensity of the enzyme, great. If they're asking for it to be removed, let them know that they may have some options if you provide different options as far as just turning the steam away. That helps sometimes lessen the intensity of the enzyme, as well as if you have any fans to put around your client. Now, before I actually begin microderming the entire face, I confirm with the client that I am going to make one pass in the middle of the forehead, make sure that the suction is comfortable to them, and then we can proceed. And just make sure that they understand that, especially when it's their first time getting the treatment, so they are aware that no, this does not hurt and this is how it's going to feel. She gave me the okay and I proceeded. Now, I started out using this tip just because I was like, decided today I was going to use it. Now you see how my microderm, it keeps like slipping up. I tried to work through it, but I was like, okay, maybe this is just not going to work and be a good fit for her. So here I changed the tip out to the smaller tip, and I started to, have a good flow and a good movement with the microderm that I wanted to have. This is what it is supposed to look like. It is supposed to stay in contact with the skin and no slip ups, no, off points. So that's why I just went back over this area once I, changed the tip out. Here I had changed out the tip for a smaller, more precise tip to target areas such as the nose, the eyebrow area in between the eyebrows, and any other areas where I felt like she may have needed or any other client may need like more attention. Now here are the non-existent extractions I was talking about. If you see in certain areas when I actually move my hand, you can see sort of small spotty areas where there's like a bit of hypopigmentation, and that is what she was coming in concerned about. This mask that I am applying to her skin was a cocktail mix of the Ormetic Gel Mask and the Illuma Intense Brightening Serum. This is the It's the Max Vampire Mask, and I thought it was just in the spirit of Halloween, so here you guys are. A little bit about the mask though, for those who are curious about its benefiting factors. It helps loss of firmness and elasticity, puffiness and sagging, fine lines and wrinkles. Those are like the targeting issues. The key ingredients are the poly-L-lactic acid, which is the collagen restoration powder. It helps to boost the regeneration of your own skin collagen to provide a gradual increase in skin thickness, smoother skin, also for a more youthful appearance. Now this is just used to maintain, and as I said before, in the spirit of Halloween. This is the Cucumber Hydrating Toner. This has heavy water and hyaluronic acid in it for maximum hydration. Wrapping this treatment up, I'm going to be using the Citrus C Nourishing Cream, also the Illuma Intense Brightening Serum, and without a doubt, the MS Skincare Daily Matte SPF. I did mix these products together to ensure a sheer seamless application. I did have a lot of questions about, does this sunscreen create that casty look? And my reply is always knowing how to work your products. That's why I tell everyone, work with your products, get to know your products, and try them on yourself always. finishing this out with the lip or medic treatment. Thank you guys so much for watching. We are finished.
Wow. That was amazing.